I'm introduce myself. My name is Shane and I'm a student of Science Second Year Section B. My presentation is all about the Chapter 1 is Introduction to Organic Chemistry. Ba't ko itong napili itong Chapter 1? Kasi nabilis lang ito na natutunan ko and also natandaan ko yung mga iba't ibang mga discoveries, yung mga history, and also sa mga structures niya. Table of contents for Chapter 1. Si definition, si history, si overview, and si example. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon-containing compounds. Said to be the chemistry of carbon. Meaning to say, si organic chemistry, ito ang nag-science of study of carbon-containing compounds sa structures, si properties. Tapos si representative of the organic compounds like si carbon, si hydrogen, si oxygen, si nitrogen, si halogen. History of organic chemistry. Si Friedrich Wöhler, siya yung German chemist na considered na father of organic chemistry. Dahil sa ginawa niya na urea synthesis in 1828. Dahil naging successful yung ginawa niya sa urea na yan. Ang urea synthesis can refer to either a biological process in animals or an industrial chemical process. Urea means yung mga ihi ng tao or hayop man. John Jacob Berzelius, a Swedish chemist who created na vital force theory. Siya nag-coin ng organic chemistry. But si Wöhler talaga ang naging considered na father of organic chemistry dahil sa experiment niya. Ang vital force theory, vitalism or vital means life force. Nagsisynthesize to ng living organisms which assume ng organic compounds na only form in living cells and imposible to na i-prepare to sa laboratories. August Kekulé, a German chemist who established the foundation for the structural theory sa organic chemistry. Siya nag-propose ng benzene. Ano yun ang benzene? A hexagonal for ring of carbon atoms with alternating single bond. It composed to sa 6 carbon atoms. Nagjo-join to sila sa planar hexagonal ring with 1 hydrogen atom. Nag-a-attach sila sa isa't isa. Si structure theory, nag-e-explore to ng properties pati yung relation strips within, nagde-define to sa system to sa organic chemistry. Yan characteristics and nature of carbon. Since si carbon atoms, nagbabond siya sa strongly with other carbon atoms sa first. The second one is carbon atoms, bond reasonably siya, nag-strong siya sa atoms na may other elements. Si carbon atoms naman, gumagawa siya ng large number of covalent bonds or 4. And composition are of prime importance. Sa isomer, si molecular particles niya sa compounds na may parehas na formula but iba't iba yung structures niya. While sa hydrocarbons, only composed na carbon and hydrogen. May 4 klase na hydrocarbons which is si alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and si arenes. Why organic chemistry is important? Ang organic chemistry is really important sa ating buhay. Pati din sa mga scientists, kailangan nila yan. Magdi-discover sila ng mga iba't ibang carbon atoms or mga iba't ibang mga chemicals na gagamitin nila kung useful ba to or hindi, or safe to or hindi. Families of organic compounds. Functional group. The study of organic compounds is facilitated by their organization into families. Families also refer as classes or homologous series of compounds niya. Kasi iba't ibang na family is nagbaband each other. Kung parehas silang family, magbaband sila parehas. Kung iba't iba yung family nila or hindi sila parehas, ganun din, may sarili nilang bond or may kaparehas din. Ang functional group, may particular atom siya or iba't ibang klaseng ng bond of group of atoms na may particular bonding arrangement siya. Families of organic compounds, which is si hydrocarbons. Ang 4 na klase is alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and arenes. Ito yung general formula niya. Alkanes, single. Alkenes, double. Alkynes, triple. And arenes, sigma bonds. Examples niya to, Si common name and systematic name may igwa siya si alkenes and si alkynes na systematic name. Si common suffix or prefix, ganon din sila parehas ang apat. Dito tayo sa halogen-containing compounds. Ang dalawang klase niya is si alkyl halides and aryl halides. General formula nila, examples, common name or systematic name niya, igwa tong systematic name si alkyl halides means si chloroethane. Si common suffix or prefix or systematic, parehas lang din sila. Proceed tayo sa carboxylic acid derivatives. Ang dalawang klase niya si esters and si amides. Ito yung general formula nila. Examples, common name or systematic nila, and common suffix or prefix nila. Nitrogen-containing compound. Si amines, si nitrates, and si nitro compounds. Ito yung general formula nila. Then, si examples, si common name, and si common suffix or prefix niya. Thank you so much for listening and you appreciate my work.